If you're struggling with hair growth, dandruff or weak hair, this onion and neem shampoo might change your hair game. This onion and neem shampoo helped my hair feel stronger and grow faster. Let me show. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Boluwatife and I share natural hair growth tips and DIY. Today I will show you how to make an onion and neem shampoo that help grow hair faster, stop hair fall and keep your scalp healthy. To start with, we are going to start with our purple onion. So I will be using half purple onion. Onions is rich in sulfur, which boosts blood circulation and helps hair grow faster. Our second ingredient is fresh neem leaf. Neem leaves are amazing for hair care, especially if you are dealing with dandruff, itching or slow hair growth. Here are the keys benefits of neem and onion. Neem leaf fights dandruff and scalp infection. Neem has strong antibacterial and antifungal property that treats dandruff, reduce scalp itch and flakes, clears clogged hair follicle, improves scalp health, supports stronger, healthier hair growth. It reduces scalp inflammation, preventing breakage caused by itching and scratching. Onions has antibacterial and antifungal property that help combat dandruff, itchiness and scalp infection, promoting thicker hair. Regular use can help prevent weak hair follicle, make hair look fuller and thicker. Onion contain antioxidants that fight free radicals, which can help delay early growing of hair. So I will be using half of this onion. So I've already peeled and washed my onion and washed the neem leaf. So after plugging the leaf and cutting the onion into small pieces, then I transfer it into my blender. So make sure you can squeeze this out, squeeze the onion out, then squeeze the neem leaf out if you don't have access to your blender. If you don't have blender, so you can, there's another method of using it. So I make sure I blend it with a little bit of water. Don't add in much water. Don't add much water to it, just a little bit, enough water, quantity water. So after blending it, it doesn't look smooth, so make sure you strain it out. We are straining it out because we don't want all those chaff on our product. So this is what it looks like. You don't need to boil. You can as well as boil this. If you don't have access to your blender, you can boil this. So I will be using mega growth stimulating shampoo. You can use any shampoo of your choice, whatever shampoo you have at home you can use it, but I will be using mega growth stimulating shampoo. So add in a little bit. Mega growth shampoo foam, it lather very well, so don't add in much, don't add plenty to it. So this is the quantity I will be using. So I transfer it into another bowl, then measure my juice. This is actually juice. This is my onion and neem leaf juice. So I will be adding it little by little, then continue to stir it. Make sure you stir it to combine the shampoo and the juice together. So stir it together, we combine it together, and the quantity you are looking for depends on the volume and the length and how dirty your hair looks like. So because I have short to medium, a little medium hair, so this is the amount I will be using. So if you have any essential oil like tea tree oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, just any essential oil of your choice, you can add it to it. But I personally don't have any essential oil at home, so I make sure you also add in your carrier oil, either olive oil or coconut oil, but it's optional, so I don't add it. So after stirring it out, you can use it like this, but I'm not gonna wash my hair right now. So I transfer it into my applicator bottle. Transfer it into your applicator bottle, and mind you, make sure you make this product that very day. But I make my in the morning, then I wash my hair in the night. So make sure you make this that very day, and make sure you make the one you can finish on your wash day that day. Make sure you don't make a plenty batch of it and keep it. No, you can make this, then your next day wash day routine, you can make another one. You get it? So my hair is that I've already pre-put my hair. Yes, I do hot oil treatment on my hair. So I want to wash my hair. As you can see, this shampoo foam lather very well, and my hair feel cleans because of the neem and onion. I am fighting with dandruff. Yes, I'm fighting with dandruff and itchiness of the scalp, but immediately I make this, I use this is I'm editing this video after some weeks, after 2 weeks of making this video, for me to testify that yes, I'm struggle with dandruff before using this shampoo, and now I can see that I don't fight with dandruff again. Yes, I'm still struggling with itchiness, but as you can see, consistently, this is only once I will, if I can make it, use it for 3 to 4 times, I can, yes, I will stop fighting with dandruff and itchiness. The neem prevents head lice. Now, neem is a natural lice repellent. It kills lice and their egg, prevents re-inflammation when used regular. And to the onions, it nourishes the hair shaft, making hair shinier and smoother with consistently use. Yes, make sure you use this consistently. Don't use this once and expect the result. No, don't use that and expect the result. Use this consistently. Make sure you can use this for at least 4 times, and definitely you will come back on this video and just testify that yes, my hair feels so clean, everything. So after washing my hair, I wash this for like three times, and my hair clean. So, and mind you, I use lukewarm water to wash my hair. I don't use cold water. I use not hot, not cold, just lukewarm water to rinse my hair. So after rinsing this off, I deep condition my hair, then rinse out with a final routine rinse. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share to your lovely ones. Bye, loves.